Welcome to Tech Overgo. Today we are unboxing the Sony WH-1000XM4 headphones. So these are the ones from 2020. As you can see, they won a 5-star award. They replaced the XM3. There is a brand new XM5 which has just been released as well, but the XM5 is a different type of design. It's not collapsible in the same way. So even though these are about 2 years old, I've just bought these as I think they are a better buy than going for the XM5s, which are a lot more expensive. You can pick these up a lot cheaper now, and there isn't that much difference between the XM4s and the XM5s in terms of sound quality for listening wise. The main difference is if you're making calls, as the new XM5s have additional mics. But if your main reason for getting the headphones is to listen to music, take the occasional call, but you're not making heavyweight work calls with it, then the XM4s are a great purchase. So as the box says, it's a 30-hour battery that you get with this. They are wireless, they have noise cancelling. So I've got the previous XM3s which I've tried on flight and they are absolutely brilliant. The XM4s are meant to be a slight improvement on those. If we flip over to the back, you will see that these have the same types of controls as the old XM3s. So you can slide up to increase the volume, slide down to decrease volume, swipe one way to skip tracks or to rewind, and you just click the side of the headphone to pause or play the soundtrack. So just looking on the back of here, also just for a quick feature update, 30 hours playback time, 38 hours with the noise cancellation off. 10 minutes charge gives you 5 hours playback, which is great. Hands-free calling with HD voice assistant function, so you can use it with Siri and other services. It comes with a USB Type-C cable, it comes with a headphone cable, and it comes for a plug adapter for in-flight use as well as a carry case. So now let's open up this box and see what it's like. It's also worth just pointing out at this stage that you may want to download the Sony Headphones Connect, as that gives you some additional features from the App Store. Opening up the box, as you can see, opening it up, it tells you easy setup. Download the app, which is the one that I just referred to, the Sony Headphones Connect from the App Store. Power on your headphones and connect via the app. Can't be easier than that. So as you can see, when you lift up the flap, you get a very nice looking case. So this is sort of a hard case, very similar to the 1000 XM3 predecessor. When you unzip this, as you can see, very similar again to those who've got seen the predecessor to this. You get the headset in there. Here is the flight adapter, so with the 2 prongs there, with the cable which fits into that, so that's to go into those aeroplane seats which have these. You've then got the actual cable as well, if you want to plug these in and not use them in wireless mode, or use them on the plane with that if you haven't got a wireless connection. And then you've got the charger as well for these, which is the USB-C and the USB cable. So with these, it is quite a short cable, as you can see. So you're going to need it quite close to the power supply. The way these headphones, I've just taken them out there. There you can see the actual port that you put the USB-C into to connect. It doesn't come with a plug, so you need to use one of your plugs, whether you're using an iPhone plug or one of your other devices that you can put a USB cable into. But the nice thing about this is that everything actually fits in here, and if you kind of forget how to put it back in, there's a nice diagram on the bottom as well, which sort of matches up with this, that shows you that it's this one that goes in like that, and then they can just sort of fit very comfortably back into there. And I like the way that this all just very neatly just tucks away into there. Now in terms of actually opening up these headsets, when you actually open them up, they are like this, and you pull these open and then you just twist. There's the headset there, and they are expandable on the sides like that. So I like this design because it's quite compact. You can put it into there. As I say, the new XM5s don't have this collapsible design like these do, where they can just sort of fit back into a very compact size. The other ones have got a rigid frame on the top, which is why I opted for these, and also taking into account that the improvements between the 1000MX4 and MX5 isn't marketably great, so you're better off picking these in the sales when you can. So great product, Sony WH-1000XM4. See if you can pick them up in the sales. Thanks for watching this episode of Tech Overgo and the Sony WH-1000XM4. I am going to also be showing a video of how to pair these to the AirFly product, which is a separate product that can be used so that you can actually use these or other headsets in a wireless mode. So you actually wouldn't need to be plugging these in with a wire, but you can use these in a wireless mode with in an aeroplane, with gym equipment which doesn't have Bluetooth, with a television which doesn't have Bluetooth. That's the AirFly product, which I'll be reviewing in a separate video. If you like this, please feel free to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for future episodes on all things to do with tech in the home. Thank you.